Hi guys, this is about bit keys or inserts. The purpose of this bit keys or inserts is to prohibit any key to fully get in from the lock when it is inserted. This is the uses of this is let's say when you are going on vacation and there is someone has the key for your main door and you don't want him to, or her to access, then you can apply this bit key so that his key can no longer be operable on that kind of lock. Well, these are common types of bit keys. This is the standard bit keys, and this is the customized bit keys. Alright, now both of them serve the same purpose. The only difference is with this conventional bit keys, you can insert it and you can easily remove it from inside by the use of a broken key extractor and any kind of wire, which is also this paper clip which had been bent from the cape like a broken key extractor. It can also remove such thing. Alright, so it's let's say you don't want anyone to access, you insert it in the lock. Alright, it should be the same keyway, of course. This is a wiser knob lock, so you insert it. Just a minute, look like this is not wiser. Okay, this one, you insert it in the lock. Okay, this is it. You insert it in the lock, you press it in there, insert it fully from the bottom end. Alright, now when somebody has the key, he cannot go through it. Right, cannot go. See, the key is only halfway. Right, it's blocked from inside, so there's no way he can get in. Alright, and in removing it, of course, you should have a broken key extractor or similar tools. Okay, that is the handle and that is the tip. All you have to do is insert it inside like you are hooking the this tip here and pull it out so that you can insert the key as you want. Okay, so there it goes. Now it's coming out. So that's the same thing as removing a broken key. Alright, now there is a disadvantage on this type of bit key. Right, if it can be easily removed by a broken key extractor alone or paper clip which had been bent from the tip, so others can remove it easily also. Alright, so try to customize it by either shaping it. Okay, by shaping it the same on the exterior end. However, there is a kind of a stopper here, and this conventional one will slide through when you pull it. However, this customized one, it will stuck from the pin, causing it to lock from inside. Okay, so if you are familiar with this kind and you are a little bit aware that somebody will pull it easily, so try to customize your inserts. It's either making a hook from the tip, but this right here, it should be 0. Don't try to cut it lower on this side, because he can insert the bit key and he will just remove, like removing a broken key, right? Also, there is another customized method if you are familiar with. Okay, so this is another way, in which case you have to insert from the middle, and after that you turn the extractor, you insert it horizontally, and then turn it vertical, and then you can pull it out with another with the help of another tools, and that tools is look like a pick tool or a diamond tip pick tool, in which you can push all the pins upward, and then you can pull this out to prevent the pin from blocking this type here, also on this side here, right? So this is what you should do if you are, let's say, you want to shut your door to anyone who has the key when you are away. Okay, so this is the one I may recommend, which is a bit stronger one and a better in hooking the chamber pins and blocking this from getting out. And you need to familiarize it also how to take it out, right? So let's say this is the one which you have made, the one on the top. So let's put it in. Right now, push it, pull it there. Okay, so that means if there is a key, no way you can get, no way it will fully get in, and it cannot open your door. So how to remove it? Okay, this is the way. First, put your diamond pick tool on the top of it and try to push all the pin upward, right? That will prevent the pin from blocking the top hook of the insert, and then try to hook the bottom part of the key, and sense if it is holding. Okay, now it is holding. See, now try to push all the pin upward. Okay, okay, there you go. Now the pin is all upward. Now you can pull the extractor out. Just a minute, my position is quite awkward with the camera. Okay, here we go. Now put the broken key extractor at the bottom to pull that key out. Okay, there you go. Okay, now see that as you pull the pin going upward, you pull the broken key extractor and it frees all the top pins uh, from the hook here on the top, and then you can remove this broken key and you can insert your key as you wanted. Okay, so this is the that is the customized bit key or inserts. This is where the pin is stacking up to prevent it from pulling with only a broken key extractor, right? So you cannot pull it by just a broken key extractor. All you have to do is you have to insert this diamond tip pick tool to let all the pins from the top and lock it there to make this hook here free when you pulled out the extractor, the broken key, the insert, sorry. Okay folks, so thanks for watching, and I hope this will be a little useful tip for those who is going in vacation and they want to let their lock have an additional security, because right now people are used to bump keys, so this is one way to prevent them from doing so. Okay, so thanks for watching and good day.